Hello everyone. So this is Kavita ma'am and I will be taking physical education subject in class 11th. This is your book of physical education section A. Syllabus mentioned in this book. So we have 6 chapters are there. First chapter, concept of physical education. Second, individual aspects of group dynamic. Number third chapter is effects of physical exercise on human body systems. Number fourth chapter is nutrition and weight control and exercise. Number fifth chapter, physical fitness and wellness. And number 6, games and sports, a global perspective. There will be 2 papers in the subject. Paper 1, theory, 70 marks, and paper 2, practical work, 30 marks. The theory paper will be divided into 2 sections, A and B. Section A, this chapter will become, and section B will be based on questions, major games in the syllabus. So, children, today we will start chapter 1, concept of physical education. Children, you should know 2 things. First, what is the meaning of education, and second, what is the meaning of physical education. Education means the teaching or training of people, especially in schools. Education is not only about writing, gaining knowledge, going to school, reading books, etc. Rather, education aims at the development of complete man. It means complete human personality. Dr. Zakir Hussain defined education is the work of whole life. It begins from the time of birth and continues till death. Now we can say that education is a systematic process to promote the all-round development of a man, capable of exercising his responsibilities in the society and for the development of society. So next word is physical education. Physical education means a course taught in school that focuses on developing physical fitness and ability to perform and enjoy day-to-day physical activities. Physical education refers to process of education that concerns activities which develop and maintain the human body. When children take part in various physical activities like playing football, hockey, basketball, volleyball, swimming, etc., then education also takes place at the same time. Physical education comprises all those activities such as play, movement, education, competitive sports, rhythmic activity, recreation games, fitness exercises, demonstration exercise, health-oriented activities, etc., which helps for the physical, mental, social, emotional and spiritual development of the individual. The term for physical education is misunderstood by several people. So many people are thinking physical education activities as a waste of time and waste of money. They also think that the students participating in it will affect their studies and students will not obey their parents, teachers and elders. The students may develop unhealthy relations. People also think that games and sports activities are only meant for the students not performing well in academic session. But nowadays, physical education activities are necessary for the students in their school. By the physical activities, health related problems in the society in the early stages of life. Individuals must take part in some physical activity so that they are able to provide required exercises to various systems of their body and keep themselves healthy and fit. These are definitions with writer. Number 1 definition, Charles A. Butcher. Physical education is an integral part of total education process and aims at development of physically, mentally, emotionally and socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activities. So children, you have to write any 2, any 3 definition in this topic. In the end, physical education not only help in physical development, but it also helps in mental, social and emotional development of an individual. So this topic is completed. So children, you have to do that work in your fair register. Thank you.